Hi guys, this is Calvin Jan of Tana and you're watching D Sports TV.
Hey guys, this is Gia2 and you're watching D Sports TV.
What is up mga Lodi? Ang Gilas Pilipinas ay nagsimula na ang paghahanda para sa lalahukan nito na FIBA Olympic Qualifying Tournament. Nagkaroon nga ng unang tune-up game ang Gilas Pilipinas kontra dito sa Taiwan Mustangs. Si Dwight Ramos ang bagong inaasahang point guard ng Gilas. Tara at pag-usapan natin yan. Sa kanilang tune-up game kontra Taiwan Mustangs, nagpakita ng Gilas si Dwight Ramos at Justin Brownlee. Sa third quarter, binuhat ni Ramos at Brownlee ang team, outscoring the Mustangs 21-12 at nagwagi sa score na 74-64. At ayon nga kay Dwight ay malaking bagay ang guidance ni Coach Tab Baldwin at ng kanyang experience sa Japan D-League.
A couple of years ago with Coach Tab, he was preparing me for this role, so I just kept on working on it, and I got a chance now to do that, so I just gotta do my best.
Alam nyo ba na sa 3 taon niya sa Japan, nakalaban niya mga disiplinadong players at mga imports. Kaya naman handang-handa na si Dwight Ramos sa kanyang bagong role bilang primary point guard ng Gilas Pilipinas. Umiscore si Dwight Ramos ng 19 points kasama na ang 4 out of 5 3-pointers. At hindi lang yan, may 3 rebounds at 4 steals pa. Sa pagkaka-injure nga ni Scottie Thompson, si Coach Tim Cone mismo ang pumili kay Ramos para maging ace playmaker ng Gilas Pilipinas. May 2 tune-up games pa ang Gilas Pilipinas kontra sa Turkey at Poland bago ang FIBA OQT sa Latvia. Abangan natin ang mga laro na ito mga Lodi. At ito nga ang ilan sa mga highlights mga Lodi.
Oh yeah, it will be very good, but he would be the 5-man, right? Right. Here's Chumar for a shot, it's good.
In the OQT in Latvia.
Here's Ramos hitting a 3. Oftana, he loves that spot. Gets the bounce on the 3. Gilas up 12. And Brownlee drops his defender. Made him touch earth. Left, Tamayo from half court. Knocks it down. Deflection. The lob pass. Soto finds a way to get it in.
So the best in terms of but let's see how the Philippines will be able to provide those numbers. First touch, first possession, Philippines goes inside, here.
To something, Guara, that's definitely something we've done a good job at. Pati yung mga transition. Nunu, kick out, Dwight for 3. Yes! The Taiwan Mustangs. Brownlee taking a 3, hitting it. The first 3-pointer for Justin Brownlee. Brownlee will take it again.
18 assists on 23 made field goals. Make that 19 assists on 24 made field.
Brownlee to Ramos. Money on the 3. Brownlee down in the post. There's a switch. And that is a well-ran play.
2 quarters, points of attack, as well as Edington Bao scores.
As we gear up for the FIBA OQT.
So yun, sana isuportahan natin ang Gilas Pilipinas sa kanilang laban para sa Paris Olympics. Thank you for watching. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito ay mag-subscribe ka na sa ating channel. Paki-follow na rin ang ating Facebook page Utak Pilipinas. Again, this is D Sports TV. Paalam.